I'm meteorologist Cindy O'Quinn, the UF Weather Center. As we're looking at your forecast this afternoon, that 24-hour change has been amazing and it feels very wonderful. Now, temperatures about 20 degrees cooler in Live Oak this afternoon than they were on Monday. We saw highs in the upper 80s. Most of the region anywhere from 5 to 15 degrees cooler across north central Florida. So highs this afternoon will be in middle 70s for most, upper 70s for just a couple of people. Now, our muggy meter, well, it was definitely muggy on Monday. We saw dew points in the mid 70s. And then notice as we went into Monday night, they started to fall behind the front, dropping more dramatically down in the low 60s. And as that drier air continues to usher in, we're looking at middle to upper 50s, so very pleasant, refreshing air that continues to pour down into Gainesville from the north. Now, here's this evening going into that forecast. Just a couple of scattered clouds, but notice a little bit more moisture bringing in maybe some partly sunny to partly cloudy skies on Wednesday, but temperature-wise, it's going to be very nice out there as you see highs in low 80s. This is that drier air as it heads south. You still see a little bit of that moisture air in place, but once we sort of get in the midst of that drier air, that is when we'll see our dew points in into the mid to upper 50s. And we will be watching down across South Florida because they're expecting a little area low pressure to develop, and that'll keep that chance of rain around for parts of South Florida then as we get into Thursday and then into Friday. But the rest of the state, very much fall-like weather across our area. So lows as you're waking up tomorrow on Wednesday morning will be around 61 degrees in Gainesville, at 56 in Lake City, 55 in Live Oak. So we're looking at some pretty nice weather. And then for the afternoon, high temperature 82 degrees, Lake City 79. Mostly sunny. That sun will be setting around 6:56. So some fantastic weather ahead. Of course, if you want to see the leaves, you can go to North Georgia. Right now, they're starting to see that peak. And of course, also up across a large portion of the Ohio Valley and back up into Michigan. But it is a very nice fall foliage with some of those fall or cooler-like temperatures, particularly across the north. Here's your extended forecast, and we have those temperatures then warming up to the upper 80s by Sunday with a 30% chance of rain.